Check this out. I made this. I don't know if you can see it. Give a guess. What do you think it is? It's a lathe tool. No, it's a chatterer. It does. It's an old school way to do patterns on stuff. So, so I made this out of a. I have a bunch of these burnt up jigsaw blades. And I tested it yesterday. Check it out. That's the, so on this one I went this way a little bit, and then I turned it over and went this way. This is a test one on the lathe. Yeah, man, they want like 200 bucks for one of these. And I was all, yeah, I'm not. I'm broke ho. I ain't got no money. Ain't no way I'm gonna pay 200 bucks for that. So I watched some videos on how to make it, and this guy made one out of this jigsaw blade, and sure enough, it worked.